So I was doing so good when I did all these layouts and making sure I did process videos for them. But then I got really busy and I put off doing this one, and then I had to do it really quickly and I forgot to film it. So this was another Chinese Whispers layout I did, and here is the one that I was given that I had to go off of. And I really took the kind of tilted photo collage as my inspiration, and then I really liked the feet around, and I had this amazing cut file from my Creative Cuts Club from Christina that I decided to use my flip-flops. I was like, the feet element, the tilted element, and I liked things coming off of it, not as busy as maybe the inspiration layout was, and then the title and everything, and then I put my journaling here instead of having just a solid cluster, and I had a few more photos, but they were smaller. So this is kind of what I did. And my stickers are from my sticker book that I have that I'm gonna re-glue here real quick. But I just wanted to show you this layout. This is a super short video then. But the Chinese Whisper thing was really fun. It was really fun to see how all the layouts kind of evolved as they went through the 6 people in your team. But yeah, so this one was, I was the 4th one to do this layout, technically, as it came through. So here at the end of this, I will show you what it looked like when it went all through all the other ones. But for my final video of these layouts, I will show you what all of them look like. But yeah, it was really fun. I just took a Mod Podge of different scraps and collections I had hanging around. I don't even know what some of them are, but I know this like peachy pink color, and then like this, and this is a branding strip from this strip of paper. Those I did a couple other layouts you've already seen through the Chinese Whispers, and then these are washi strips from my sticker book. So is this, I just cut it into a banner. So is this little sticker. This is actually the branding strip from this piece of paper. And this was a random piece of yellow that I had in my stash, and I really liked the yellow, and I liked the yellow and the flowers that we were given in our Creative Cuts Club kit. So, and then I really wanted to bring out, like, this was a yellow that I had in the sticker sheet from that My Mind's Eye kit, Happy Days. I pretty much kind of killed that mini kit that I got as a gift as I did these layouts. And then as I did my Creative Cuts layouts in July, I used that because it was all blues and watercolors and everything. And then a couple of the colors, a lot of these papers are from other layouts I did with the Chinese Whispers too. So it's like, as I did the Chinese Whispers layouts, I kind of stuck to the same papers, and then also with the Creative Cuts stuff, I kind of stuck to the same papers. So yeah, so this is what I did. And then a little piece of flair that we got in our Creative Cuts Club. I'm kind of sad that because of how the Chinese Whispers went, that I'm not getting to post these videos till later, but at least then I'm kind of ahead of schedule for getting videos done though, since I've had a really hard time staying up on top of it and getting videos posted. And July was super busy, so I didn't post a lot of videos, so it was kind of nice. The few that I did make, I'm able to post future. So I'm sorry I didn't have a process video for you, but I mean, you've all seen how people back cut files. This one was pretty tedious because at first I was just going to do them white, but then because of how I decided to use up a bunch of scraps and use up this paper kits that I had, this piece actually, there's like none of it behind here. So I had to cover it up, and if I had a see-through cut file, I wouldn't have been able to do that. And I really liked the idea of putting the flip-flops on here. And it's just a few pictures of, we have some next door neighbors. We don't hang out with them often, but when we do, it's really nice that we literally walk across our backyard. And There we are. So, and they always have fun with us, and their friends are always very welcoming. They're from the area and we are not. And it was one of those things where we bought our house and there were different neighbors next to us, and we got to know them and they were super, super nice. But then they moved after about a year of us being here, and then we were worried, oh no, now we're going to have more new people move next to us, and we don't know a lot of people in the area. And it turned out to be someone who used to work with me. So she used to work with me. She bought the house. I didn't know it was them until somebody actually at my job said, hey, so-and-so just bought a house. Here's a picture of it. And I went, oh my gosh, that's next door to me. This is crazy. So it was really refreshing to know that we don't get to see them often, even though they're neighbors, but it's like with schedules, and now they have a child, and so we're both busy. But it's nice to know that because we kind of knew each other beforehand, that we don't take offense that we don't see each other all the time, but yet when we're both out in the yard, we chat. When we both are having people over, we invite them over because they're right there, and it's nice to be able to walk next door to neighbors. So I hope you guys all have somebody like that in your neighborhood, or at least some friends or a neighbor. It's really nice. Otherwise, we're always just busy with our little family, so we don't have a lot of time for that kind of stuff. But this just happened to be Labor Day, and we had no plans. I think my husband had to work, and he does 12-hour shifts, so he just came over after. But my son and I went over, and yeah, they had a slip and slide. There's just enough of a hill in our backyard that was a gentle slip and slide. They set up a giant slip and slide. They had yard games. We had food. It was fun. So enjoy the layout. I will post some close-ups here afterwards. I'm going to go ahead and glue this down, and thanks for watching. Bye.